Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going through continuation of example and related exercise 6.4. Okay. Listen, I'm moving to example 6.28. Question: find the angle between straight line x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus z with coordinate axis. Okay. So solution. The condition example. We have one x-axis the line. So the one point is there, but that point there is nothing to show where is passing through whether x-axis or another axis. But the same in case that point is passing through one line, then only we can say this is considered for b vector means this is angle, because the condition also we need to find out angle between the straight line. This is we need to find out. Okay. So what is the given condition? X plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus z. But first what we need to find out the b vector. So before moving to the b vector, according to the Cartesian equation, the main term starting with x, y, z means there is nothing true number and negative sign also, but last condition negative sign is. So first we have to rearrange it. So x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z by negative 1. So from this point we can get it. B vector is equal to true I vector plus true j vector minus k vector. After getting the b vector, first we need to find direction cosine. Direction cosine means modulus of b vector. Modulus of b vector means square root of, so 2 square, again 2 square, plus minus 1 the whole square. Therefore, so 2 square means 4, again 2 square means 4, minus 1 the whole square means positive 1. This is square root of 9 means, therefore modulus of b vector is equal to positive 3. Now, after getting the b modulus of the term, direction cosine now. So direction cosine. So direction cosine means what will happen? So coefficient of I vector means we can write it true by 3 comma, again coefficient of j vector means again true by 3 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the direction of cosine, but we need angle between. So angle between means let alpha comma beta comma gamma with angles I vector, j vector, k vector, isn't it? So with angles, so let alpha beta comma or angle with parallel vector with positive x axis and positive y axis and positive z axis. Therefore, we can write it cos alpha is equal to, so cos alpha means what is the value? You said 2 by 3, as well as cos beta also 2 by 3. Then cos gamma is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sorry, this is minus 1 by 3, no? Here also definitely minus 1 by 3. Therefore, the angle of the term alpha is equal to cos inverse 2 by 3, then beta is equal to again cos inverse 2 by 3, then gamma is equal to cos inverse negative 1 by 2. Okay, this is answer for example 6.28. Okay, I will continue the next question. We stay on the line. Moving to one of the important concepts, the concept name angle between two straight line. Okay, so for your understanding, look at there. We have the two dimensional, this is called x axis, this is called y axis, means in between. So a vector and b vector is, this is considered for a vector, this is considered for b vector, means to need to find out the angle of the term. So what will happen? So a vector means already we have discussed. So one point and parallel one vector is there, means what is the formula? R vector is equal to A vector plus some scalar multiplied with B vector, because This is what is the name? This is only the point, isn't it? So this is point. But this is called the vector or direction of the question. This is called vector, isn't it? Therefore, just to consider for A vector is considered for what is the meaning? So B vector plus, so A vector and B vector means A vector considered for R vector is equal to A vector plus SB vector. Then another one, B vector means R vector is equal to C vector plus TD vector. So what I am saying, this is point, then this is only the vector of the term, that is the direction of the part. So if you need to find out angle between of the term means just you have to look at there only the B and D part only, not look at about A vector and C vector, because here also C only the point, here A is the point only. Therefore, how to write the formula? Cos theta is equal to B vector dot D vector divided by, already we know what is the dot product formula. A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into cos theta. Therefore, this is actually vector of the term B vector and D vector means B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector into modulus of D vector. Modulus of D vector. So, this is one point and another one point. Then the same condition, if you have the 2 point is there. So, x minus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 4 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 3 by negative 8 means denominator part only, this is called B vector. In case one more point also is given. So, x minus 3 by 7 is equal to y minus 7 by 8 is equal to z minus 9 by 10 is there means this is considered for B vector means another one point. This is called D vector. So, after getting, so what I am saying for your understanding, the denominator part only consider for B vector and D vector. So, numerator part, this is the point, that is why I am saying this is point. Here B vector means C vector is called point, D vector means the vector of the point. So, B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector and D vector, this is called angle of the term. Okay, I will continue the problem. Okay. Question example 6.29. Condition, find the acute angle between the lines. So, one condition, this is R vector is equal to A vector plus TB vector. A vector means what did I say? That is called a point, this is called vector. Then and straight line passing through the points also is there, isn't it? So, already we know the formula, find the acute angle means cos theta is equal to B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector into modulus of D vector. So, B vector and D vector means that is, what did I say, the direction ratio. So, direction ratio solution, first one R vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus 4k vector plus T into 2i vector plus 2j vector. Look at there, that is actually 2i, 2j, this is only k only, okay. 2i, 2j plus k vector. Now, this is A vector means this is called B vector, parallel of the line, isn't it? Therefore, we can write it B vector is equal to 2i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. We need, according to the condition, modulus of B vector also we need. Therefore, modulus of B vector is equal to square root of 2 square means 4, again 2 square means 4, k square means k coefficient 1 is there. Therefore, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, is equal to 3. That is modulus of B vector. Then one more point D. D means, look at there, the passing through the point. So, direction ratio. So, direction ratio. How to find out direction ratio? 2 point is there. What are the point? 5, 1, 4, then 9, 2, 12. Just first point minus second of the point, that is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means 4, 2 minus 1 means positive 1, 12 minus 4 means 8. This is called D vector, direction ratio is equal to, we can write it 4i vector plus j vector plus 8k vector. Therefore, modulus of D vector is equal to square root of 4 square means 16, 1 square means 1, 8 square means 64. This is value, I think 81. 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. 65 plus 16 is equal to 81. Therefore, we can write it 9. Therefore, modulus of B vector and D vector also is over. So, the condition cos theta is equal to B vector dot D vector. B vector is there, 2 into 4 means 8, isn't it? So, modulus is a modulus of B vector dot D divided by modulus of B vector into D vector. Now, modulus of 2 into 4 means 8 plus again 2 into 1 means 2 plus then 1 into 8 means 8 divided by, so 2 into 1 means 2, isn't it? So 16 and 20, isn't it? This is B vector, no? B vector is equal to 4 into 2 means 8. I think it's correct. Now, modulus of B vector means already we found modulus of B vector is equal to what is the value? 3 is there. So, 3 into then, so now 3 into next condition, modulus of D vector also we found into 9. Therefore, 8 plus 2 or 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, isn't it? So, 18 divided by 3 into 9 means we can write now 27. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 18 by 27 means the ninth table possible, no? True by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse true by, sorry, this is cancel, no? We can write it true by 3. This is answer for example 6.29. Okay, I will continue the next example. Question number 6.30. Find the acute angle between the straight line. Two condition is they state whether they are parallel or perpendicular. First we have to find out B vector and D vector, because already we know the formula cos theta is equal to modulus of B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector into modulus of D vector, isn't it? The condition denominator part, this is B vector, this is called D vector. Numerator already I told you that is called point, okay. So first condition, B vector is equal to true I vector plus J vector minus 2J vector. This is modulus of B vector means square root of 4 square plus 1 square means 1, then plus minus 2 the whole square means positive 4. Therefore, this is value we have 3. Then B vector is over, then D vector is equal to 4I vector minus 4J vector plus 2K vector. Therefore, modulus of D vector is equal to square root of 4 square means 16, again 4 square means 16, again 2 square means 4. Value 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 4 is equal to 36, isn't it? Now, the formula, so first before moving to the formula, how to simplify. B vector dot D vector is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to positive 8. 1 into minus 4 means minus 4. Again, minus 2 into positive 4 means minus 4. This is also value we have 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to formula modulus of B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector into modulus of D vector. Now, cos theta is equal to B vector dot D vector, we have value 0 divided by anything means value we have 0, anything, anyway you can write it 3 into square root of 36. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to cos inverse 0. Already we know cos 0 means value 1, isn't it? But cos 90 means value of 0. Therefore, cos inverse means definitely we can say theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90 means they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular. Okay. So, very carefully, one of the important 2 more question. Okay, I will continue the next example. Moving to example 6.31, show that, okay, we have to prove that is points actually perpendicular, okay, to the straight line. So, already we know when we can say this is called perpendicular means, so A vector dot B vector is equal to 0 means we can write it A vector perpendicular to B vector. So, definitely 4 points is there. First 2 points consider for B vector, second 2 points consider for D vector. So, look at their solution, direction ratio of A and B. direction ratio of A and B. What will happen? Direction ratio means definitely AB vector means we can write it OB vector minus OA vector. So 6 OB is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 comma, then 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, then 6 minus 5 is equal to positive 1. This is called definitely B vector. B vector is equal to true I vector plus 3j vector plus k vector. Then modulus of B vector means square root of 2 square 4, 3 square means 9, 1 square means 1. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Now second condition, direction ratio of C and D. So direction ratio of C and D. What will happen? C and D means, so CD vector is equal to OD vector minus OC vector. So now 8 minus 10 minus 2, 3 minus 2, positive 1. Then last condition, look at there, minus 4, here also minus. So minus 4 plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5 means positive 1 will come, isn't it? So now this is called D vector. So D vector is equal to minus true I vector plus j vector plus k vector. So according to the formula, angle between two line cos theta is equal to B vector dot D vector divided by modulus of B vector into modulus of D vector. First, B vector dot D vector is equal to, what is the meaning? B vector dot D vector means B vector is there, here D vector. 2 into minus 2 means minus 4. Then 3 into 1 means positive 3. Last condition, 1 into 1 means positive 1. So look at there, minus 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to positive 4. Definitely value we have 0. If you apply the numerator value 0 means definitely cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta, no need to write the cos theta also, because the condition also we have to show perpendicular. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Dot of the value we have 0 means definitely we can say it is called a perpendicular. Already we found B vector dot D vector also value 0 is. Therefore they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular. Okay, hence proved. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 6.32. Okay, so 6.32, show that we have to show the lines are parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? Already we are discussing concept. So A vector cross B vector is equal to 0 means that is called A vector parallel to B vector. Okay, so look at there. The condition also, question is one mistake is that this is minus 6, here also minus 6 will come. Okay, the solution condition, first we need to find out B vector and D vector. Denominator part, first one, this is called B vector, this is called D vector. Okay, but numerator, that is called the point. Therefore B vector is equal to 4i, isn't it? So 4i vector minus 6j vector plus 12k vector. Then D vector is equal to minus true I vector plus 3j vector minus 6k vector. The condition A vector cross B vector. So now we have to apply B vector cross D vector is equal to, if you have the result 0 means definitely we can say. What is the meaning? This is called parallel. So parallel means the lines also parallel. First we have to find out I vector and j vector and k vector. Then B vector means 4 minus 6 positive 12. 4 minus 6 positive 12. Then D vector minus 2 positive 3 minus 6. Minus 2 positive 3 minus 6. Therefore I vector means minus 6 into minus 6 means positive 36. 3 12s are 36, but whenever cross multiply means extra minus, negative 36. Again minus j vector, 4 into minus 6 minus 24, 12 into minus 2 means positive 24. Last condition, plus k vector. So plus k vector means 4 into 3 12, minus 6 into minus 2 means positive 12, but cross multiply means negative minus. Each and every time will be cancelled, no? Therefore, definitely we can say B vector cross D vector is equal to 0 means B vector and D vector are parallel. So, B vector and D vector are parallel means the lines are parallel. So, hence proved. Okay. I will continue exercise 6.4. Okay, be stay on the line. Moving to exercise 6.4, question number 1. Question, find the non-parametric form of vector equation and Cartesian equation of the straight line passing through the point. One point is there and parallel vector is there. This is actually theorem 6.11. Okay, one point and a parallel vector is there. So now the solution, first we need to find out non-parametric form of vector equation. Non-parametric form of vector equation. So let consider for A vector is equal to 4i vector plus 3j vector minus 7k vector. Then this is actually what is the meaning? B vector is equal to 2i vector minus 6j vector plus 7k vector. So non-parametric of vector equation means formula R vector minus A vector cross B vector is equal to 0. So R vector minus A vector means 4i vector plus 3j vector minus 7k vector. Then cross product B vector means 2i vector minus 6j vector plus 7k vector is equal to 0. Second condition, Cartesian equation. So Cartesian equation means definitely the first condition, Cartesian equation one point and parallel vector means formula x minus x1 divided by b1 is equal to y minus y1 over b2 is equal to z minus z1 divided by b3, isn't it? So condition, the A vector consider for x1, y1 and z1 is equal to 4, 3, minus 7. 4, 3, minus 7. Then B vector means b1, b2, b3 is equal to 2, minus 6, positive 7. Cartesian equation formula x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 over b2 is equal to z minus z1 over b3. Therefore, x1, what is the value? 4 is there. So x minus 4 over 2 is equal to y minus 3 over negative 6 is equal to z minus, already here also minus, therefore we can write it z plus 7 over 7. This is answer for exercise 6.4, question number 1. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 2 from exercise 6.4, find the parametric form of vector equation and Cartesian equation. Already we have seen question number 1, that is called a non-parametric form. But here the question little bit different, parametric form. So solution, first I am moving to find out for parametric form of vector equation. Parametric form of vector equation. So let's consider for the point of the value. Point is called A vector. So A vector is equal to minus 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 4k vector. Then parallel means denominator part, that is called B vector. So B vector is equal to minus 4i vector plus 5j vector plus 6k vector, isn't it? So now the formula parametric form of vector equation means R vector is equal to A vector plus TB vector. So R vector is equal to A vector is called minus 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 4k vector plus T into B vector means minus 4i vector plus 5j vector plus 6k vector. Now I am moving to find out for Cartesian equation. So Cartesian equation means, so A vector consider for x1, y1 and z1, isn't it? Is equal to minus 2, positive 3, positive 4. Then b1, b2, b3 is equal to minus 4 comma 5 comma 6. So minus 4 comma 5 comma 6. Formula x minus x1 by b1, then y minus y1 by b2, then z minus z1 by b3. Therefore x minus x1 means already negative sign is there, therefore negative means positive. X plus 2 by negative 4 is equal to y minus y1 means 3. Y minus 3 by 5 is equal to z minus 4 by 6. This is answer for question number 2, part of each and every part, Cartesian equation and vector equation. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 3, find the points where the straight line passes through 2 points is there. Okay, cuts the xz and yz plane. Okay, the solution. So 2 point is there, isn't it? So given the straight line passes through the points, what are the points? 6 comma 7 comma 4, then 8 comma 4 comma 9. Therefore from these 2 points, what is the value for direction ratio? Direction ratio. See, minus 8 minus 6 means positive 2, 4 minus 7 means minus 3, 9 minus 4 means positive 5. This is called B vector. So B vector is equal to true I vector minus 3j vector plus 5k vector. So the first one, condition for A vector means A vector is equal to 6i vector plus 7j vector plus 4k vector. So we need xz and yz plane. Only we need Cartesian equation only. What is the formula Cartesian equation? X minus x1 over b1. Therefore A is considered for x1 comma y1 comma z1 is equal to 6 comma 7 comma 4, as well as B vector means b1 comma b2 comma b3 is equal to 2 comma minus 3 comma positive 5. 2 comma minus 3 comma positive 5. Now the condition formula x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z1 by b3. Therefore x minus x1 means what is the value? 6. So x minus 6 by 2 is equal to, then y minus 7 by positive negative 3, no, negative 3 is equal to condition z minus 4 by 5, isn't it? 4 by 5. Now cuts xz and yz plane. So let consider for all the time, let what are the value? X minus 6 by 2 is equal to y minus 7 by negative 3 is equal to z minus 4 by 5 is equal to, consider for t means each and every value x minus 6 by 2 equal to t. Next condition y minus 7 by negative 3 is equal to t. Last condition z minus 4 divided by 5 is equal to t. So equating x minus 6 is equal to 2 into 2, 2t. Therefore x is equal to 2t minus 6, bring out opposite side means positive 6. So y minus 7 minus 3 into t means minus 3t. Therefore y is equal to minus 3t plus 7. Now the last condition z minus 4 is equal to 5 into t, 5t. Therefore z is equal to 5t plus 4. Minus 4 bring out opposite side means positive 4. So what are the points? First one x term 2t plus 6, then minus term minus 3t plus 7, z 5t plus 4. Now the put point, cut what the value? xz plane. So points cut xz plane. So xz plane means put what is the value for? Definitely y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means center of the term. This is x, y, z means minus 3t minus 3t plus 7 is equal to 0 means minus 3t plus 7 bring out opposite side means minus 7. Again minus minus cancel means t is equal to 7 by 3. This is fraction term, no? Fraction term means definitely one by one we can find it. The first one 2t plus 6, isn't it? So 2t plus 6 is equal to 2 into 7 by 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 7s are 14. So 14 by 3 plus 6. Again 14, 3 6 are 18 divided by 3. So 14 plus 18 means 22, 32 by 3. Second condition, instead of t, if you apply 7 by 3 means definitely what the value will come? T is equal to 7 by 3 means definitely 0 term will come now. So isn't it? Minus 3t. Instead of t we can apply 7 by 3 means 3 3 cancel means definitely minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 plus 7 means value we have 0. But last condition 5t plus 4. 5t plus 4 is equal to 5 into t means 7 by 3 plus 4. Again 5 7s are 35 by 3 plus 4. Again 35. 3 4s are 12 by 3 is equal to 47 by 3. Therefore, the required points when y is equal to 0 means required point, first one x value, x term 32 by 3, comma y term we know 0, z term 47 by 3. This is when x is at plane, points cut, therefore y is equal. The last condition, y is at plane, isn't it? So y is at plane means what will happen? So y is at plane, definitely put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means the first condition 2t plus 6. 2t plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 2t is equal to plus 6 bring out opposite side means minus 6. Sorry my dear, minus 6. Therefore t is equal to minus 6 by 2 means t is equal to minus 3. This is not a fraction, only whole number, isn't it? So t is equal to negative 3. Negative number is there. Therefore, one by one we can apply. Definitely the first term, x term will be 0. Instead of t, we can apply negative 3 means 2 into negative 3 means negative 6. Therefore, negative 6 plus positive 6 means answer we have 0. Next condition, minus 3t. Minus 3t plus 7 means minus 3 into negative 3 plus 7. Definitely 9 plus 7 is equal to positive 16. Last condition, 5t plus 4. So 5t plus 4 means 5 into minus 3 plus 4. So minus 15 plus 4 means minus 11. Therefore, when y is at plane means x is equal to 0 means answer 0, 16, minus 11. This is required points, okay? This is required points, okay? Now of the important questions, I will continue. Question number 4. So moving to question number 4, find the direction cosine of the straight line passes through the points. 2 points is there, okay? First we need to find the direction cosine, then find the parametric form of vector equation and the Cartesian equation. 2 given points, okay? So 2 given point mean first solution given passes through the points, given passes through the points. What are the points is there? First one 5, 6, 7 and second points 7, 9, 13. Therefore direction ratio 7 minus 5 means true, 9 minus 6 means positive 3, 13 minus 7 means 6. This is called B vector. Therefore B vector is equal to true I vector plus 3j vector plus 6k vector. Now we need direction cosine. Therefore modulus of B vector. 2 square means 4, again 3 square means 9, 6 square means 36. So 36 plus 9, 45, 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. This is called 7. Therefore direction cosine. So direction cosine means coefficient of I. 2 divided by 7 comma coefficient of j 3 divided by 7 comma coefficient of k 6 by 7. Next condition, find the parametric form of vector equation. So parametric form of vector equation, 2 point is there, isn't it? This is called actually 2 points. The first points consider for a vector is equal to, we can write it a vector and b vector also. Definitely after writing a vector and b vector means b vector minus a vector also, we will get the same point. Okay, for your understanding, example problem also there is nothing to given like that. That's why consider for each and every time. So a vector consider for 5i vector plus 6j vector plus 7k vector. Then b vector is equal to 7i vector plus 9j vector plus 13k vector, isn't it? 13k vector. Now b vector minus a vector means we will get it same answer. What is the answer? Definitely 2i vector, then plus 3j vector, then plus 6k vector. Therefore, already we know the vector equation. R vector is equal to a vector plus t into b vector minus a vector, because 2 point is there, no? So therefore R vector is equal to a vector plus t into b vector minus a vector means 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 6k vector. This is Cartesian equation. Sorry, this is vector equation. Okay, I am moving to Cartesian equation. So Cartesian equation means the 2 point means, what is the meaning? This is x1 y1 z1, this is x2 y2 z2. So x1 comma y1 comma z1 is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7. Then x2 comma y2 comma z2 is equal to 7 comma 9 comma 13. So now what we have to do? The formula Cartesian equation means the 2 points x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Again, x minus x1 means what is the value? 5 is there. So x minus 5 by 7 is equal to y minus 6 by y2 minus y1. Sorry my dear, here actually x minus x1, 7 minus 5. 7 minus, so here y minus 6 divided by 9 minus 6 is equal to z minus z1 means 7 divided by 13 minus 7. Therefore, x minus 5 by 2 is equal to y minus 6 over 3 is equal to z minus 7 over 6. This is answer for question number 4 for exercise 6.4. Okay. So I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.